Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Asha SP from PG Department of Commerce. So, we are in lecture series. We are dealing with the second module regarding levy and collection of GST. In the last class, we just discussed with the levy of collection of CGST, and today we are going to discuss with the portion levy and collection of IGST. Where CGST is related to intra-state supply of goods and services, whereas IGST is related to interstate supply of goods and services. The rate of tax is determined as per the recommendations of GST Council and determined by the central government. In the interstate, if there is interstate supply of goods and services, the type of GST levied is IGST. Okay, that is state. Goods and services supply particular state in rate collect GST collect approval authority and it is apportioned between the central government and the concerned state government. The central government and the concerned state government. Here, IGST is applicable for interstate supply of goods and services, and it is not applicable for the supply of alcoholic liquor for human consumption, and this is coming under the purview of SGST. This is the ultimate power or authority in the particular state government. IGST CGST it comes under the purview of SGST. So here also the value of supply is determined as per section 15. We will discuss this. Supply value determined CGST IGST value determined. And IGST there is a topic known as IGST on imported goods. Imported goods we charge tax IGST. It shall be levied and collected at the point where the duties are collected. The customs duty collected particular point particular place IGST imported goods collect. Okay. So for imported goods, the type of GST applicable, it is IGST. Then the maximum rate of IGST is 40%. This is the maximum rate of IGST, and that 40% in the maximum. And the rate of IGST is determined by the central government as per the recommendation made by the GST Council. So that's all about with the levy and collection of tax of IGST. And this is Asha SP signing off from Bosco Campus Vision.